Yes, you have been treated to a number of bulky, awkward cam add-ons for your smartphone. Introducing RevolCam, the revolutionary camera for your smartphone. An all-in-one system that is easily movable, easy to install owing to the universal fitment. It has a RevolLens design feature with creative wide angles, fisheye, and macro, so you can simply switch the lenses. With a detachable LED light, 230 levels adjustable brightness, and a built-in selfie mirror for quality selfies. The RevolCam brings a creatively unique photography experience and not the usual selfies that you are used to. Capture your special memories on the go, with the RevolCam leaving you with long-lasting memories. Take the best selfies anywhere, at dawn or dusk, rain or sunshine, with the perfect temp feature of the RevolCam light. With a wide-angled macro lens and fisheye, RevolCam has got your back, leaving you with jaw-dropping high-resolution pictures. The LED light is detachable, rechargeable with its magnetic base for your convenience. Light up all angles. What's more, the built-in selfie mirror magnifies your selfies without sacrificing quality. Fit, twist, and spin the RevolCam on any smartphone, and voila! You can capture the most significant, most enjoyable moments in the best quality photos and videos. RevolCam. Better pictures for better memories.
Please support us on Kickstarter and be a part of the making of memories. You can get an extended warranty simply by sharing our campaign on social media, making your memories trouble-free.